One day, Little Duck fell into a big, deep hole. "Help, help!" he cried. Little Elephant ran over. "Don't worry, I'm here." He stretched his long trunk down. He stretched and stretched, but it was still too short. "Oh no," said Elephant. Just then, Little Fox came by. "What happened?" "Little Duck is stuck." Little Fox looked inside. Then he turned and ran away. "Wait, don't leave me!" Little Duck cried. Everything went quiet. Then he came back with a big bucket of water. He poured it into the hole, higher and higher. "I'm out! Thank you!" Little Duck shouted. "You're welcome. That's what friends do," they said together. Like and follow.